Welcome to Review Lab. The best space projector is probably one of the most mesmerizing gadgets you can get for your room. It transforms any space into a stunning galaxy, filled with stars and nebulae. Whether you're looking to create a relaxing atmosphere for sleep or an immersive environment for a party, this projector delivers an unforgettable experience. Its ease of use and captivating visuals make it a must-have for anyone fascinated by the cosmos. Number 5. AceList Astronaut LED String Lights. This string light is designed with space exploration theme, perfect for a nursery or kid's room. The soft and interesting lighting will comfort your baby or kid's mood, bringing a joyful ambience. You can power it with 3 AA batteries or plug it into a USB interface. This flexibility allows you to enjoy the lights anywhere. Please note that the USB charger is not included. The lights come with a UL-listed controller, ensuring they are safe to touch and won't overheat. It offers extra protection for your child and has a lifespan of over 40,000 hours. These lights are perfect for balconies, gardens, patios, and various indoor settings. It adds a warm and charming atmosphere, making any space more active and vivid. We are committed to your complete satisfaction. If you're not happy with it for any reason, please contact us through your Amazon order ID. Your satisfaction is always our goal. With 8 lighting modes, including steady on, twinkle, and fade, it can set the mood for any space. From bedrooms to birthday parties, it is perfect for any occasion. What we like. This string light is perfect for creating a magical atmosphere in a child's room. It features adorable space-themed pendants and offers both battery and USB power options. If you're looking to add a touch of wonder and comfort to a nursery or kid's room, you should consider this. What people say. I love the space theme and the automatic function. You just put batteries in and it works. It went through RGB and then it started to have random individual color changes for each light. The diodes themselves are multicolor and somehow magically change color. The shapes are very sturdy. The colors are bright. These went in my son's space-themed room and look amazing. I put them around the middle part of his bunk beds. I have them set up against the wall and the lights went around perfectly on the side that is showing, if that makes sense. They're way bigger than I expected, so that was a huge plus. The light itself is small, but the design of the astronaut spaceship is nice and big, so they worked out perfect as his night light. Number 4. Iridescent Star Moon Garland Party Decoration Kit. This kit includes 4 strings of metallic star and moon garlands, along with large hanging cutouts. They are perfect for adding a touch of magic to any celebration. The total length is 64 feet, providing ample decoration. Each garland is carefully handmade and machine sewn with silver thread. The double-sided 3D metallic paper ensures durability and a stunning visual effect. It's designed to be strong and reusable. This decoration is ideal for various events, including weddings, baby showers, and birthdays. It fits perfectly with themes like planets, stars, and moons. It's a versatile choice for any party. No DIY is needed, simply hang them from walls, trees, or ceilings. It can be used as a backdrop for photos or to enhance any party space. Your guests will be amazed by the gorgeous iridescent display. We offer a 48-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We are here to help you. What we like. This garland kit is a fantastic choice for adding a touch of sparkle to any space-themed event. The iridescent design and durable construction make it reusable for multiple parties. If you are planning a space-themed party, baby shower, or wedding, it will definitely elevate your decorations. What people say. The design is very detailed and the colors are vibrant. The product is well made and durable. The product is easy to assemble. Number 3. Blulu Solar System Poster, Galaxy Tapestry Backdrop. This amazing tapestry is perfect for any space enthusiast. It showcases the planets in our solar system, making it a great educational tool and a fun decoration. Measuring 72.8 by 43.3 inches, this backdrop is large enough to make a statement. It's ideal for space-themed parties and will surely impress your guests. Made from durable polyester fabric, this tapestry is built to last. It's lightweight, washable, and tear-resistant, and comes with a string for easy hanging. Whether it's a birthday party, a classroom, or a photo shoot, this backdrop is versatile. Use it to create a stunning space-themed environment. This tapestry is not only a beautiful decoration but also an educational tool. It's a great way to learn about the planets and spark curiosity about space. What we like. This large solar system poster is perfect for educational purposes or as a backdrop for a space-themed party. It's made of durable fabric and is easy to hang. If you want to create an immersive space environment for a classroom or party, it's a great option. What people say. Big and bold colors are wonderful. Made of fabric and can be used for classrooms, birthday parties, bedrooms or wherever. The fabric seems very durable and washable but seems very easy to wipe clean. Number 2. Zonon Space Decor Posters for Kids' Room. These posters are designed to spark imagination. They feature vibrant space patterns and encouraging words to motivate children. It's perfect for creating an inspirational living environment. You'll receive 9 space-themed posters. They come with glue dots for easy wall attachment. This set transforms any room into a colorful space display. The designs are loved by kids who dream of space exploration. The posters include images of planets, stars, and telescopes. The encouraging words will inspire them. The posters are made of sturdy cardstock. They are tear-resistant, fade-resistant, and non-toxic. The bright colors will bring a nice visual effect to any room. These posters fit 8 by 10-inch frames. You can easily display them on a table or wall. They add color and energy to any space. Note that frames are not included. Use the included glue dots to attach the posters to the wall. This is a great way to brighten up a child's room. The positive messages on them will have a good influence. What we like. These inspirational posters are designed to motivate children with space-themed imagery and encouraging words. They are made of sturdy material and easy to display. If you want to create an inspiring and educational space for your child, it's an excellent choice. What people say. The design is very detailed and the colors are vibrant. The product is well made and durable. The features are easy to use and understand. Number 1. Decorably 15 Space-Themed Classroom Posters. Get ready for the new school year with these amazing space-themed decorations. They are designed to welcome students and create an inspiring learning environment. This will be a great way to start the year. These posters are designed to uplift and motivate children. The inspiring messages on the outer space-themed decor will remind them of their potential. It's a great way to encourage them. Instill a growth mindset in kids with these space-themed posters. They feature carefully chosen quotes and beautiful designs to keep kids inspired. This will help them to stay motivated. Made with a matte laminated finish, these posters are non-glare and durable. They are perfect for any classroom and will last for years. You can display it anywhere. Your happiness is our priority. If you're not happy with the product, please let us know. We want to make sure you are satisfied with it. What we like. These classroom posters are designed to inspire and motivate students with space-themed quotes and designs. They are made with a matte laminated finish for durability. If you are a teacher looking to create an engaging and inspiring classroom environment, it is a great choice. What people say. The design is very detailed and the colors are vibrant. The product is well made and durable. The product is easy to assemble and set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.